Is it okay to let your dog lick your bowl or plate after dinner?
I think at the end of the day, our furry friends who are our family also enjoy a treat, whether it be ice cream or butter chicken. Bronte absolutely adores butter chicken, I must say. Building up your immune system maybe with saliva from your dog. And at the end of the day, you wash your bowls and plates or whatever they've licked with like heavy-duty washing up detergent. So what does it really matter?
What if you live in a home where the bowls get put then back up on the bench and someone looks at it like me and says, oh, that's clean, I'll just put it straight back in the cupboard.
He lives alone, but he's like, oh, that bowl's clean.
Yeah, exactly.
You'd hope so.